Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today we'll be making durian pancakes, also known as durian cream crepes. I'll be using roughly 1 pound of durian for this recipe. First you'll need to remove the seeds from the durian fruit, just like this. Now that we're done removing the seeds from the fruit, just discard the seeds. Using a spoon, mash up your durian fruit. Now let's prepare the durian. I'll be making rectangle crepe cakes. It all depends on how big you want your crepe cakes to be. I'm adding 1 tablespoon. And wrap up your durian fruit just like this. Now that we're done wrapping the durian, put them in a Ziploc bag and place them in the freezer so they can retain their shapes. Make sure to lay them down on a flat surface in your freezer. Now let's prepare the whipping cream. In a large bowl, add in 1 1/4 cup of thickened cream. Then add in 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Use a hand mixer and mix until the cream thickens and forms a stiff peak. When you're done mixing, the cream should look like this. Use a spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl. Then put it in your fridge for later use. Let's prepare the crepe batter. Adding 1 cup of whole milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, adding 4 large eggs. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. Whisk your ingredients well. And sift in 1 cup of plain flour. And incorporate the flour into the batter. Then add in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of pandan extract. If you can't find this in your local supermarket, just add green food coloring. And combine well. In another bowl, strain your batter so it won't be lumpy. That way you'll end up with a smooth batter. After straining, you should end up with a smooth batter, just like this. Now let's prepare our crepes. I'll be using a 10-inch pan. On medium heat, brush your pan with vegetable oil. Adding 1/2 cup of batter. If you're using a smaller pan, just add in 1/4 cup of batter. Then cover the pan and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute of cooking, remove from pan and set it aside. Only oil the pan on every second crepe that you make. Using a napkin, wipe off the moisture from the lid before placing on the pan so that the crepes won't end up soggy. Continue making the crepes until all the batter is gone, and let the crepes cool down before you go to the next step. Take out the durians from the fridge and remove the wrappers. Now let's form the crepe cakes. Flip over your crepe cakes, making sure the shiny side is on the bottom. Add 1 tablespoon of whipping cream. Then add in 1 piece of durian. Then add in 1/2 tablespoon of whipping cream. Then fold the sides together. Then fold the bottom and roll forward, just like this. And continue making your crepes. And it should look like this when you're done. And here you have it, delicious durian pancakes. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now and see you next time.